in love with our skincare line, particularly this product is my can't live without, and that one. But this is our Supreme Skin Serum, and I wear this morning and night. I carry it on the plane with me because it moisturises the lips and just anytime the skin is feeling dehydrated. But if you want to begin with and you're not used to oils, use it as a night oil, but then progress to using it in the day. It's just phenomenal, super nourishing, and within a week you'll notice a difference. Then we have our Supreme Skin Cleanser. Now, if you're not used to cleansing oils, get ready to be wowed. It removes makeup, all traces of makeup, and without any kind of pulling, and a little bit goes a long, long way. So you just want to wash the face, put the cleanser on your face, the oil cleanser, just 2-3 drops, and then wipe it clean with a wet muslin cloth. And we supply our cotton muslin cloths with the cleanser. So just wipe it clean and off you go. That's a very eco-friendly way of using it too.